Hi, my name is Sheila Gale, and I've been hosting a radio show for the past 12 years called Inspiration for Your Life, with the idea to bring great energy healers and visionaries to people to really help them to improve their life. 2 months ago, I was the one in need of desperate help because my daughter became sick, really sick. We rushed her to the hospital and they probed her and did all tests on her with teams of doctors around her. They could not figure out what was wrong with her. She was not getting better. They were simply managing her pain, and I needed to do something. Out of complete desperation, the idea came to me to reach out to my listeners, to anybody I know, and to please pray for her. So I sent out an email to everybody I knew, and within 20 minutes, to my absolute shock and amazement, hundreds and hundreds of emails came pouring in, wishing her health, wishing her love, healing light. I mean, it was unbelievable, from all over the world. I can't tell you what that did for me and for her, for me to be able to actually read them to her. And it was within 12 hours that she was out of pain for the first time, without anything different but prayer. It's been a month and she is thriving today. I am convinced that group prayer, community prayer, is what healed my daughter. See, what I realized is when I reached out to people, they were so happy. I mean, hundreds, over 450 emails came in, and they wanted to pray, and they keep saying, can I pray for somebody else? My idea is for a global prayer network called globalprayerpartners.com. So what the site does is anybody, anywhere can email in a prayer for anyone, for yourself, for your pet, for your loved one, and immediately you will get a response and you will get prayed for anywhere in the world. The response already has just been overwhelming. People want to help. What we need is we need volunteers. We need social media people to help us. We're going to have this all over social media. Because of my radio show, I have these ideas now where we can have group calls, like once a week. We can pray for the terrorist attack in Paris, or the oceans of the world, or particular families. You know, we can focus our prayers. People pray all the time for the world, for world peace. But when we do it collectively as a community together, it is so much more powerful. I need your help. Thank you so much. If you want to be a volunteer, prayer partner, there's a place to sign up. If you have money and think this is a great cause, please, we need your funds to start this. Together, we can heal this whole planet. Thank you. I appreciate you. Let's make a difference and change the world.
And say